What is happening? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. We're gonna do something a little bit different. It's not my first time filming a Subaru, but as you can see, this is the new BRZ. These are some nice affordable sports car. I like how they handle, and they're like one of the best bang for your buck right now. Once again, another POV shot. Here we go, y'all stay tuned. Like I said, we're gonna do a POV drive of the Subaru BRZ. This is a 2023. This one's fairly option out. I believe this is a limited version, but it's still pretty nice for a mid-entry level sports car. But you got all your amenities like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but it gets the job done. Then when you want to get through traffic, you just drop a gear just like that. It's pretty nice, even driving it on the highway. Very comfortable for a entry-level sports car. I know this is like the second generation BRZ, but it is a step up compared to the first gen. But this car definitely is leaps and bounds better than the original version, even though they're still using a Boxer 2.4 liter 4-cylinder with a little bit more power, but it gets the job done. Acceleration. But really where this car shines at, it's the handling. Like this car, like on an autocross session or road course, it's perfect because it's well balanced for the way it's set up, being a front engine rear wheel drive setup. But I dig it, and I see why most people would get an entry-level sports car like this. Not gonna lie, this fifth gear on this transmission, this gearbox is very finicky. It's like you gotta really like get into it. That's like my only dislike about the gearbox, but overall the gearbox is fine. I'm not being biased about it, I'm just telling it from my experience driving this vehicle. I just wish they would have worked on the gearbox a little bit better when it comes to getting into fifth gear, especially you're trying to make a pull. But mainly you're gonna go through first to fourth gear, but when you need that fifth gear, I know fifth gear is like an overdrive gear for this car, but it's kind of strange. But I guess, you know, again, it's an entry-level sports car, so it is what it is. But I know what the aftermarket shifters they have out for this transmission, that probably would correct that problem, especially like a short throw. Well, the Subaru BRZ. This is a fun entry-level sports car. It gets the job done. Excuse my voice. I see why most people would purchase this type of vehicle because, you know, for the value is at, it gets the job done. And then again, like I said earlier, this is a nice, balanced, well-rounded sports car for like mid $20,000 range. But hey, you can't go wrong with a 6-speed manual. I prefer this over that 6-speed automatic any day. You know, without the manual, what's the fun in that? But that's gonna wrap today's video up. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.